At Compost Crusader, our mission is to create a culture around sustainability that empowers individuals and organizations to divert organic material away from landfills in an economically and environmentally sustainable way. Established in 2014, Compost Crusader has successfully diverted over 5 million pounds of organic material away from landfills and converted it into healthy soil. Every year, Wisconsinites send nearly 500,000 tons of food scraps to the landfill. As these organic materials break down, they release a dangerous gas known as methane that contributes to climate change. And when the rotting waste and rainwater wash away, they seep into the groundwater and pollute the environment. So let's talk about a couple of quick, easy ways you can help organize kitchen waste and keep our land, water, and air clean for our kids and future generations. The restaurant industry is one of the leading producers in food waste. You specifically play a vital role in being able to divert food scraps from the landfill and in turn help create healthy soil that is utilized in schools, community gardens, and farms. Implementing composting in your kitchen is really easy to do once you get a hang of it. You have these waste bins that are essentially representations of final destinations that your different type of material goes to. All food scraps, including cooked meat, dairy, breads, pastas, grains, bones, fruits, veggies, all can be composted in your compost receptacle. In addition, certified compostable products such as straws, cutlery, and to-goes can also be put in your compost bin. It is important to line your bin with a certified compostable bag. They are made of plants and are a little more thin than you may be used to. If items accidentally fall into the compost container, items like metal or plastic, even silverware, please, for our safety, for your safety, and for the safety of the finished product, remove them right away. The finished product is going to places like community gardens, farms, and schools. Another really common mistake that we see is when people don't remove the food from the packaging. So please remove the food from its container and place the container in an appropriate receptacle. Items that are made of metal, rigid plastic, or glass are all items that should be placed in your recycling container. Items like plastic bags, cling wrap, or plastic gloves are items that cannot be recycled and therefore need to go into the landfill bin. Now that everything is properly separated, the compostable liner filled with all those nutrient-rich food scraps will be placed into your outside compost bin for service. Please make sure that only compostable bags and compostable materials go into these bins. Your restaurant kitchen is the first step in the journey of making compost. By partnering with Compost Crusader, you can be proud that your restaurant is part of this compostable movement and has your community's sustainable future in mind. Thank you so much for being a part of this program. Together, we redefine waste.